Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a triangle. The length of this side is 6 unit and this side is 8 unit, and this base is divided into two parts. The length of this length is 2 unit and this is 4 unit. We have to find the length of this line. Consider this length is A. If this line considered as A, this line considered as B, and this length as M, and this length considered as N. And if this length considered as C, then according to Stuart's formula, we can write this A square times this N, A square times N plus this B square times M. B square times M is equal to this M plus N, M plus N, and this C square plus this M times N. M times N. According to this formula, we can find the value of C. Now, substituting rest of this value, we can write, we have A square, this is 6, so 6 square times this N, this is 4, plus B square is 8 square times M, that is 2, is equal to M plus N, that means 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 times this C square, this unknown length, C square plus M times N. M is 2 and N is 4, so 2 times 4, or this 6 square, this is 36 times this 4, plus this 8 square is 64 times this 2 is equal to 2 plus 4 is 6 times this C square plus 2 times 4, this is 8, or 36 times 4, this is 144, plus 64 times 2, this is 128, is equal to this 6 times C square plus 8, C square plus 8, or 144 plus 128, this is 272, is equal to this right side 6 times C square plus 8, or now divided both side by 6, we will get the value of C square plus 8. So C square plus 8 is equal to this 272 divided by this 6, or this C square plus 8 is equal to, simplifying this, divided both by 2, here it will remain 3, and here this 100 and this 36. So 136 divided by this 3, or taking this 8 to right side, we will get C square is equal to this 136 over 3 minus this 8. and this 3, and 136 minus 3 times 8 is 24, and it will be 136 minus 24 is equal to 112 over 3, and taking a square root we will get the value of c. So c is equal to this square root of 112 over 3, and the approximate value of this term is 6.11. So this unknown length is 6.11, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.